Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Basalana, March 21, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Third row and first row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 9, 6. Column D, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C and 8th row, we have 6 and 6, 7 and 1. The 3 number can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, column H, we have 9. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I and 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5, it will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth row and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second grade and 4th row, we get pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. First row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 1. So it can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F and 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, first row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Column A, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first row and first grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column A, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column A, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Sixth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, on first row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I on 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Sixth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I on 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F on 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Sixth row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F on 5th grade, on 6th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.